Hi, I'm Chef Gustavo Garnica here at Cosme in New York, and we're gonna make our corn and tomato tlayuda. What I like, it has a little bit of everything, you know, it has a little bit of masa, it has a little bit of something creamy, like in this case, the corn. In the past, we have done tomato asiento, we have done refried beans, and then you can go with whatever you want. We have put cheese in it, you can put vegetables, you can put mushrooms. I think it's a very versatile way of presenting multiple vegetables. We also like it's a big dish. So Cosme is a restaurant that the food is meant to be shared. So having a dish that you can put in the middle of the table and everybody can enjoy, it's something that we always like to do. Just like the tamal, we always like to have a tlayuda on the menu. And yeah, it does reflect what's available on the market. The tlayuda changes as the season changes, and like if it's fall, or if it's rainy season and there's mushrooms, or if it's summer and we have tomatoes and corn, or if it's the harvest season like right now, that's a dish that's always evolving, and it reflects how the season is looking here in New York.
There's nothing until September in New York like corn, no?
Yes, harvest season, look at that. So for this tlayuda, we have a variety of corn called velatobe from the Central Valleys in Oaxaca. We nixtamalize the corn here in-house. Then in the mornings, we rinse it out. We grind it in a stone mill into masa. And we have a team of beautiful ladies downstairs that they press them by hand. The tlayuda, as you can see, is a big portion of masa that gets pressed all at once, and then it gets put on the plancha in one motion. You don't want it to rip. Then we let it dry a little bit on the plancha, then we fry it for extra crunchiness, and then it's ready to be plated. So this is our tlayuda. Today we have velatobe corn from Oaxaca. We have grilled corn that we made into an asiento with caramelized onions and a little bit of roasted habanero peppers as well. I'm gonna spread that all over the tlayuda. It has a nice smoky flavor of the grill. It's also very creamy. Then we're gonna cut these sungold tomatoes. Went also from the market. Add some epazote. Epazote is a herb that we use a lot in Mexican cooking. It's very aromatic. It also has medicinal purposes. It's something that actually grows here in New York too as well. So we're very happy that we were able to find it. We're gonna dress the tomatoes with a charred habanero vinaigrette. Habanero is one of the spiciest peppers that we have. It's very bright as well, so we like it because you used a little bit, but it goes a long way. And we're gonna do some pickled green tomatoes. We use escabeche, which is a pickle in liquid, with onions, garlic, serrano peppers, coriander seeds, a little bit of cinnamon. This helps cut through the fat of the asiento. And then we're gonna garnish with some greens from the market as well. We have mustard greens, we have a little bit of kale, a little bit of sorrel, watercress. This is lamb's quarter, which is aquelite, like we mentioned before. These are herbs that grow around crops. They're also very easy to use, very tasty. A little bit of watercress. And we dress everything with a little raw garlic oil. You get something crunchy, you get something creamy, using something fresh. We always, obviously, lime juice is the quick dressing of all the Mexican dishes. So you get a little bit of all those flavors. In this case, the sungold tomatoes are very sweet, almost like candy, so that also goes really well. And like I said, the habanero vinaigrette, it's very bright. It's a very clear spice. That's it. This is our tlayuda.